Hey! It works. Everything works. I think. Hopefully. Just gonna reposition some stuff. That's good. That's good enough. So hello everyone! Welcome to another Game Dev stream, and my chair's in the way. And yeah, I will be going to Nordsken, which is a gaming conference in Sweden. And we actually got the booth there, so we're gonna showcase our games and so on. I'll lower this, please. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, for that I figured the collectathon is quite fun to work on, and it's coming along quite well. The problem is... the problem is that it's still far from done anything. Like, there's no art or stuff like that. It'll be quite boring to show, I guess. Instead, I'm gonna work on this one. And Nordsken, it's like the Northern Lights. But in Swedish. Or it's a similar. Nordsken is actually Northern Lights. I guess it's some kind of play with words at this point. But yes, we are gonna work on this one. And try to polish it as much as possible in these 2 weeks. And then hopefully people will like it, enjoy it when they show it off later. Hello, Coxoff. Nope. Hey, I posted a lot on Discord, so are you here from Drew's, I suppose? The spacecraft? Yeah, thanks for the good luck. I don't know how much I will actually be showcasing stuff. But there's talk about at least always having one at the booth to show, like, so no one steals stuff and stuff like that. But yeah, I got a few things I want to get done before that. First of all, I have figured I messed up a bit on the rare and epic, so I have switched those around off stream. I have also tried to make some art. It's pretty hard to do with a mouse, but I'm quite happy with the result so far. And already I've inserted that one, but there's still a few items that I need to, like, get something displayed on. That's one thing, but I don't think I will do that on stream. But I'm gonna write them up now at least. apart from a lot of those mercenaries, I have actually hired my friend to do one specific mercenary. Hopefully it will be done before I go to the event so I can insert it. But yeah, so I'm gonna draw that probably in my free time. But yeah, I got the brass knuckles. The next one will be the horseshoe. Which I'm not here. Is it spelled with... Horseshoe is spelled without space in between. Yeah, I figured I have a lot of spelling errors here and there as well. So, it's a lot of polish. Let's see. Okay, back here. Horseshoe still need to be drawn something full because it doesn't have anything, it just has some base shit. Bolt action have one, so I don't need to focus on that one. Car I need to finish though. Didn't I have the crossbow? Yes. Crossbow also has one, so I don't need to put that, but the car needs one. Then we'll go into the RPG, got one. Yeah. This the aircraft does not have one either, that's probably one of the harder one. Estes Twins Blade and his proposal ring also exists. But on the other hand, I'm now gonna write another one here, and it's gonna be state. So that one's the Ashton's Twin Blades. Like, I'm writing this on the other screen just because it's easier for me. And I got both at the same time. Then we got the RPG, got the same as the 3D model, needs to be reworked. Bolt action rifle, same thing, and same thing with the crossbow. Then we got one more, it's a brass knuckle. There's gonna be something like that, drawn by me, just so I know that it's my... Oh! I missed that host entirely. Hello, Drew. Newest build on this one is in... if you use exclamation mark Agno, and then there should be... one of the tabs should be called Mercenary Hub. And there you can download the latest build for this. It was what I did last time. What did I do last time? I finished some... hovering for hire, bit like that, nothing major things, just fixed things. Also fixed some bugs, I believe. Not sure. But how are you doing, Drew? And welcome! Yeah, I'm just writing those up now, so I've those are written down. Contracts as well, we got a few. But I had on the mercenary Felix. A real mercy is supposed to be there. Yeah, I don't have any slots or anything. I also changed so you can actually see which mercenaries and stuff you've unlocked. Oh. Always good to brighten your horizon. I should put on my glasses by the way. Peeking on streams. I peek on everything. I forgot to fill my water. Oh, I'm probably gonna handle a few things. Anyways, there's a few things I want to change now. And we will... the art I might do later off stream or just do a longer stream where I just chill with art later on, but... for now, we are gonna go into wherever I have the complete contract stuff. Not that one, not that one. Tax. Complete. Finish time. This one is just gonna get removed. And this one is gonna be reduced to half. Because when I got the feedback, I sent it to Björn, or Game View Company, it's called on stream, on Twitch and all over the places. He said that, like, even the completion time, that when they have to wait even after they complete things, just slows down the entire game. So I will do, if they actually complete the contract, they're instantly ready to go. But while if they fail, they have to rest for half a time. I'm actually thinking about changing that one. Or I'm gonna do this. If this entire thing here exceeds a max value, I think a max value is gonna be like let's do 3,600 times 4, 14,400. If it exceeds that, I will put it to 4 hours instead. Because there is a few contracts that takes a heck of a time. And mostly I'm thinking about, I think I got basing stats could probably be off. And okay, Drew, see you when I come back. I stopped mid-sentence here. Yeah, the contract. I got... So special contracts can take up to... I don't know, playing League of Legends, I guess. Or just go and laugh somewhere in a corner. But yeah, I got special contracts that can take up to 3 days. And half of that is like 50 hours. And you don't really want the mercenary to be... like... fighting if gone in like 50 hours without be able to do something, because that can really slow you if you only have like 2 mercenaries or something. Can really mess you. Anyways, we're gonna go back here. That's fixed. I have another problem, I believe. Another thing I would like to change. More contracts, yes please. Didn't I change that? Yeah, minimum completion time and max completion time. So let's do this like 5 to 50, 10 seconds. Something like that. For now. Gonna do that just... I got Roger! Is he a box still? Reset. Ademosa. Something's not right. Okay, so that now everything's back to normal. Yeah, Roger's gonna be a box. Maybe if I go into here. Change the contract time here to 5 to 15 seconds. And then go. Oh, try again. Yep, that works. 19 seconds, let's go. Let's hire another guy. Jackson, get over here. Contract. Roger is the best box. Complete. Keep. Snickles. And that's the problem, like when you equip something it closes. And that's... I need to change. Ah, null reference? Got a null reference, that's not good. Panel anim.open panel contract information. Okay. Contract. Oh, does she have contract information? Let me guess. Collection. Contract info. Let's move this around a bit. Highlight's gonna go there, collection there. Oh yeah, so I have to have it, yeah. When I start, this should now be fixed. Okay, I see we can come back, Pico. Yeah, that was the problem. Hey, I got a box. Keep. Crossbow? Man.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Yep. But yeah, so let's go into where you equip stuff on the mercenary. So collection's gonna go back over here and highlight's gonna go there. Mercenary info. Okay, so that does nothing. It only shows the information. Start this and check this out. Because I bound out item to this guy now. Go. Okay, so if I click this, it's open. Reference not set an instant object, that's not good. Okay, so that problem only occurs when I switch from an item to another item. Mark that items.length. Yeah, I'm a bit behind because it's so long since I actually worked on this, and it's actually getting hot in here. But yeah, so something happens when it's trying to switch one item out for another, which is not good. So. Let's see, we got storage, we got bind item, we got an item panel. This gonna take a while. So, pop up information, pop down, unbind if I. Mission, it's down here. What? What's this? It's this line that gives me a null reference. Find all references. This is now bottom click, add list and bind item. Okay. But this time it's the item panel, and then assigns the button to it. Those items switch. Like a lot of things I have is actually just destroying stuff here and there, so not precisely optimized, but it works. I'm not really sure which parts I would like to move on either. What is 0? Let's find out that now first. Because I have totally lost myself in the code. It's the Merc 0. Let's find out. Yeah, mercenary itself is 0. Okay, that's where the problem is. So what we have to do here is do a check if merc is equal to null, or is not equal to null precisely. Now this is not gonna happen. Let's see what happens now if I just try with these changes. Equip one here. Switch this out to this one. Doesn't really switch. Unbind works perfectly, but the switch of the items does not. Okay. Go to this one, go to definition. So instead of this, we're actually gonna do mercenary info.cool. Disable info panel, and then we enable it again, so it like instantly closes and open. Now is the question, do I even need to do these? It might be that I actually have to like put out the slots, these ones, loadout slots in its own function and only call that. So what does the enable info panel do that I need so badly? I believe it's... Oh yeah, it's for... it controls both the stats and visuals. So actually I'm gonna leave it like this, just close it and then instantly reopen it. That should solve a few problems. Just the switching that does not work still. Just closes. What do we do? What do we got? That's been all the water I had. Why is mercenary? Actually do something weird. I'm gonna take this starting, now I'm gonna copy it a few times. I'm gonna get that one. One more step. I will actually get the entire thing. So if I run this code now and select, take this guy, do this, press this, this, info. So it actually got everything. What seems to be happening is that somewhere before it gets to this place, it has closed the mercenary panel and therefore set the mercenary to null. Equip that guy. This one got null. Yes, it's just null. Close either selection. I'm gonna move this out here. Do it before everything else. I know it, if it just closes, I know it's the mercenary is null. But where do you close? I have just the mercenary info. Couldn't I just do this instead? That would save quite a lot of performance. Oh. Where's our info? Preferences. Actually, we're gonna move this not here, we're gonna put it down here instead. Because if I remember correctly, when I disable the info panel, it also removes the mercenary and everything. Yeah, so that fixed that problem. But that one is still obnoxious right now. Because there's like something would close. And over. There's this one, this one, this one, this one, down there. Unbind. That's the problem, isn't it? Because what happens is that I get a call to unbind before, isn't that what's happening? Yeah. Else we're gonna do. Can't I actually just do this? I move both of these lines of code here. Whatever really happens, it's gonna. Mercenary is gonna be out. It's needed. It's needed here already. Yes, I will probably not need that one whatsoever. Now if I open this, on that brush, I have put on that. Where does it go? Like it wouldn't get in there. That's a bit annoying. A bit annoying because if that work I could somewhat call it finished. If I open this, take this one, that. Reopen it, but it's also switched. It's only switched. Hmm? There's probably something obvious right now. That after it called here, it goes in here. Let me guess, panel to bind is equal to null when this goes out, isn't it? No? Continue, so it's... Is it this one is called? Probably this one gets called. Continue. These are the polish I want to finish because I don't want it to be annoying for people to play it. Even though the game itself can be quite hard. Never gets into here. Kinda technically. Just remove that line of code entirely. Okay, so that did nothing. Items. Storage. Item in panel is equal to panel. With unbind to the panel. Okay. What I don't get, it's like when this gets triggered, when this line gets triggered, it's like it would just skip the rest of the code. That's what I'm making out of it right now, and that doesn't sound right. Oh wait! Is it so? Oh wait, this checks if I have to have that left just so they can't pick the same item. But yeah, what's happening probably is open item selection. So it installates item panel one with null and then transform self. Okay. That installs the nothing one here. Instead item panel. So if we go to prefabs item, have a button. Okay. Wait. Insta. I'll go to the. This goes back to good definition. Air up. Item. Yeah, here. There we go. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is put combine this one bind item. Oh. This is the one. So yeah, what happens is here without binds, and then returns null. I just guess I have to move this one all the way up top. Use this through the entire one because, well, I kinda need to. And that should hopefully fix my problem. I just didn't look far high enough in the code and that messed me up. So yeah, that's made. That's fixed. Thank the gods. Let's see, to do. Begin a training console to add cash reduce time. Times a contract information. What would be required? I kinda made those things actually already working. So where is it? I under prefab contract. I open this prefab. Item reward. And this one will actually be duplicated. This isn't diagonal. Actually this. Actually this. Imagine. Imagine the dragons. So this is gonna be special contract. Well, actually, could I just take this entire thing and do an outline? And like, if it's special contract, I could just do a special kind of. I don't know. Monks. Like something like that. I wonder if that wouldn't be better. Could also just make the outline and color code it after the difficulty. So maybe. Diva? You mean Drew? And yeah, he... Wait, what? Diva? What? Wait, but why? Hold on a second there, just 1 second there. That didn't list at first by some reason before I restarted. What? Let's do a contract like 2-2. Then we got a special contract if it's in the middle. Do we have an exclamation mark or something other fun we can add? We have. Fantastic. We have exclamation marks that... And Drew's back. You don't know me. Okay. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So we got the outline here now, so we can probably do something like a gray outline as base. Then I'm gonna take the name of the contract, move just a tiny bit there. Make the special contract with over here. Eat soggy tacos. But why? Okay. So just going through everything. Okay, the contract display is gonna get a bit of change. It's gonna get a public outline. Just gonna call it outline. And then we're gonna do a image. This is gonna be special contract. If contract, that's special contract, it's not equal to no, then we're gonna do special contract that's... Why don't I just do these to game object instead? Game object, game objects, so I miss like a typecast there. Is special contract dot set active equals true. Outline is gonna be direct line of difficulty because they're correlated, and we're gonna get outline dot color effect color is equal to static types dot get color code, and that is in contract difficulty. I should do it. Creative is lacking. What do you mean? We're not creative in here? Coding! Yeah, so now we're gonna get the outline is over there, item there, and special. Back, save, start. Come on. Communication, high level contracts. Move, card, move, contracts. Legendary. Did I have... Yeah. I don't think I've written up my commands anywhere. Fuck. What? What? I'm always coding. I'm a fucking... God damn it, people. Blaming this on everyone. Anyways, I got a console window here. Okay. That didn't do anything. Okay, I'll see you when you come back, Drew. And line script, here we go. There, I got the clear command. Fantastic, that's what I was looking for. Okay. Press this button. I do clear. Boom. Yeah, I bet you do. Oh. It works. Why can't I start the contract though? Oh, it's if the contract is 0, I should not be able to start it. That's why. So I just started. Fuck! I just started a contract for Mercenary. He got 0% chance to actually complete it. Yeah. That's not supposed to happen. Gone with you. I need contract. Contract. Accept contract. Does the info hold, I guess, the comparison? Got some shit on my mouse. Enable open panel, enable disable, compare. So, preferences should have like a few. There we got one. Contract. Contract for. Yeah, compare needs to. Let's compare. Here's compare. Right. So success percentage. It's less than 0, so less or equal to 0. Then we're gonna do start button dot interactable equals false, because you should not be able to start a contract 0% success. So just sending them to die at that point. Yeah, that's fixed. Another bug fixed. And we got that insert as special panel and everything. One thing more before I do anything new. The thing I actually like killed the fun for me when I was doing all of this. The saving. So what I need to do is reset that, reset that. Hold on. So what happens is that it seems like there's too much in one file or something like that, so I need to split it up. Measure data, I don't need that, I don't need contract. Unlocked item. So this one I gotta move into its own file. Same with settings, so I'm gonna move 2 of these into its own files. So close all the save. Then I'm gonna take this. We're gonna duplicate it 2 times. We're gonna have 1 there and 1 there. This is gonna be for. Then we're gonna make 3 strings here. String game data is equal to slash game data that. 2 times more. This is gonna be collection at that and settings at that. So collection data, settings data. So now I can just simply replace this entire thing with this. It's gonna be protected strings, I believe. I think I just do. Can't I just do this instead? Probably do that. Which means I can also remove by this. It also make it a bit more optimized because I only do this. I don't do this so incredibly many times. I just do it once at the start of the application. YOLO, what's going on with the YOLO today though? Oh, I hate myself for even saying that. Yeah, so that's moved. What's your task, though? It's going pretty well. I fixed a few bugs here and there. Hey, no. Life's too short. But yeah, I'm fixing a bunch of bugs and just trying to polish it up because I gotta go to an event called Nordsken, and apparently I get a boot there to show off like everyone from the that's coming through the same like community, I guess you have to say. Yeah, so everyone who comes from the same community gets to show it off. So this one, save collection, save setting is gonna be moved down here. We're gonna take everything from this one, move up to save settings. I don't know Swedish. I can't speak this language. Yeah, settings, data. Yeah, so I'll also need to split. Let's go split up that first. Game data is going to be split up into serialize, above class, collection data, and one more. Called settings data. Ja icke tala svenska. settings gonna go in there, and collection, this one. I'm gonna get moved up here. So now I got two serialized classes, so I can just split out. Hopefully this will work, and I can actually see collected items. Would be nice. But I'm gonna go data. Boom, boom. It's gonna be settings data, and fuck. It's gonna be collection data. I'm gonna rename this first. Rename game data path, collection data path, big data path. I think I'm gonna do the protected on all of these as well. It's gonna be game data, collection data, and okay, I can't use protected because it's not the same in the class system. It's gonna be settings data. There you go. Okay, Jamses, take care, and thanks for stopping by. Not the most interesting things going on right now, but oh well. Let's see. Game data. Oh yeah, there. Gonna have a collection data, settings data, collection data, settings data. Should be one of those. Collection data. That's fixed. Now I got those three in there. Save just takes all this. Save bank is gonna be. Can't rename this element. So we can probably do this though. Data. Whole world. Replace with game data. Replace all. Oh, yeah, that works. Saves a bit of time. Oh yeah, this gonna save to both actually. Gonna be game data, but this gonna be collection data. With background now, this gonna be settings data. So we're gonna have another public void save collection. I don't think that exists. Old, no. Then we're gonna move this thing up there. We're gonna have unlocked completed contracts and unlocked special messages. I save in a file where I just use binary formatting, which I found quite easy, and like it's not that secure by its own, but it's good enough. Like I won't save any like payment information or anything yet, so I don't need anything better per se. Let's see, where do we have save hideout? Right? The contract? The mercenary? Wait, did I have one? Oh yeah, I had one here. Anyways, this is gonna be moved. Let's move that and throw it here still. Instead. Game data dot amount of storage. Amount of storage equal to storage dot no. One more error somewhere. Where is it? Collection data to unlocked items. It's gonna be the settings data. So what we're gonna do here now? This is gonna remove. We're gonna do move for the game data path. Then we do this. I'm gonna copy this because this is now gonna happen a few times. I'm gonna open, but this time I'm gonna open the collection data path and transform it to collection data and collection data. And big C there. One more, which gonna be hold the settings themselves. Settings data path. It's gonna be just settings data. Settings data. So yeah, there we go, transforming all of that. I should probably remove this because I don't need that. Yeah, remove that so we don't have any ghost code. I will do storage that unlock items there. Here, also remove the ghost code over here. Gonna go up, but I think I have more ghost code in the bank, right? Yes. Save storage will save help this little save collection. Yeah, we're gonna do a call here to save collection as well. Actually no. I can call that from storage when a new item is found instead. Let's not do it there. Anyways, we now insert the data. We don't need that one. Change data path and the settings data. Let me remove that. So this is what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna go do the same thing over here. But this is gonna be collection data. No. Collection data path. Okay, so I changed a lot of things now. Default still saves like every other thing, but I split up the collection and the settings. So we're gonna start this now. The reset. stop that contract and then you can. Let's start this again. Oh yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do is game data path is gonna be equal to this thing. Copy this. Copy this. It's not allowed to call it before anything, so better do it after that if that's the case. So we do this, we do a reset, clear everything, then we go select that guy. Start contract. Restart, that, other guy. More people. Felix, there you are. Keep. Clear. Clear. I want a specific special request now, and that's the one. Close that. I'm gonna finish this, keep the collect music. Alex over there. Do the last nickel. Go. Now if I close, start again. No errors. Collection is not loaded, and not that either. Okay. So let's go check a few things. Oh, James just got on an hour early. Okay. But let's go. New projects, Mercenary Hub, assets, game data, settings data, collection data. So yeah, everything loads. Big whoop. I like. Okay. Thanks for hanging around, Drew, and good luck on the work. So everything gets made and all that, it gets saved and so on. So we go down to save settings, we save the settings data. Catch it, see around it. Then we got this one is unlocked items, that bullshit. Then we're gonna go into load. Load collection, mercenary manager, load collection mercenaries. So they'll send in collected unlocked special mercenaries. Okay. Let's go to the mission. So if we do debug that log, unlocked special mercenary 0, Let me go up and start the game again. 6 out of range. Okay. It's not supposed to be null. Let's go into save load again then. We're gonna go into find all references. Mercenary manager. Actions. Yep. Okay. That's correct. But what's on the other hand is not correct. That's the only two. This is for contract. Is it for complete the contract? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does the big save when it does the. Okay, yeah. Fuck. Of course. It's gonna be contract manager. That completed special contracts. Then we're gonna have mercenary manager that unlocked special mercenaries. The thing I did was I just didn't save the right information. I have to restart. That thing works, so that's always something. So let's go here. Roger! Get over here. So I have one more. Hopefully get contract. There we go. Start contract. Close that. On collection, I got Roger. And then we close that and close. So let's see. How does it look when I start now? No error messages. That's good. That's muted. It's supposed to be. These two are not on a mission, and that's two. Okay, collection. Just there. And 5 seconds there. Now, I of course forgot the collection. This one. Enable that one. I think that's all I need to do actually. If we're going to collection items, nothing here. 5 seconds still there. There. Done. Okay. Close that. I'm gonna go back into console. Commands console. Delete. Keep Ashton's Twin Blade. Oh. This one does not upgrade. Okay. Save load. Unlocked collection data, unlocked items, length. That's not supposed to that place I should have it on. This one works, so let's skip that. So I'm back. I seem to be back to the same thing before I split everything up, which means I don't really need to split things up. Unlock items. Go to definition. Unlock items. Unlocked item. This save or load, this load. I probably need to add a command that adds me a crate so I can check this properly without having to wait for a contract and stuff like that. Yeah, it doesn't seem like to have anything. Let's go into console, commands control again. I'm gonna do case, box, break. Yeah, I need to do that as well. Home. So singletons storage.add. Add random item. So let's type that item instead, so I can just use that. Then the console do here, don't do item. Nice. So remove. Okay, so collection, item, card, scroll view, card. Okay. Oh yeah, I should. Don't I have to do that done as well? A rare RPG got a value of 200. Someone has 0, 1, 1, 0. Yeah, so that's actually right. Oh. Anyways, let's start this. I'm gonna go here and throw in an item. Okay. That's some serious shady business going. Let's see if we do. Add item. You got keep trash. You return. Mission. Item ID. Alright, send in is this one. Okay. Yeah, unlock item, where are you? Where are you at? Next load item, storage slots, start. Bind item. Yeah, so this one I don't technically need here. Instead I can do this at the end of that. Okay, so let's try again. Will you just get an infinity loop? I just made an infinity loop. Let me guess. When you do unlock items, something somewhere. Make a crash. I guess I did something with. Let's close Unity editor for now. Yeah, open Unity Hub again. The music has stopped. I'm still here. Let me show you now. What happens is I got to unlock items. Definition. So where exactly does this occur? I guess it's because I put in this line here. Crashes. I guess. Let's do a reset this over. Then we do this one again. Select this. Add an item. Play ID found, yay. I've closed and start again, does it? Yeah, there we go. That's the infinity loop. Somewhere when you start and it exists an item. Something like that. Then everything crashes. Reopen, let's go back into save load. File exist, game data. Pat. And we're gonna do all of this fancy shenanigans, loading for files, so on. And we load collection. Also, that's okay. Where does it get though? It doesn't get into items. It's this one. Go to definition, load items. Add item with ID. Okay, so it gets in there, add item with ID. Then it goes into unlock item. Unlock item, which is here. That's it. Is it because I don't see like an infinity loop going on anywhere around here? So let's do a few checks. If it gets down here. So this game, this is now gonna crash a lot of times. Yeah. Where exactly does this infinity loop occur? Open. Open. You look like a dad. Dad? I don't think, no. Can't say anybody's done that. Hello, Sloido. How are you doing, buddy? How is life? Probably frustrating. So let's do one really early. Like somewhere around here. And see if it crashes again, shall we? So it does, so it does. Wonder why. Let's stop the activity there. Let's remove that. Keep that one going to storage. That one, and then we're gonna find all references. So it's up here in load items. Item with idea. In two places. Cats? Why cats? Where did you get cats from? Oh. How many animals do you have at home, really? I've heard a dog more than I would like to, but... Where are the rest of them? 14 cats. What? Why? Why? What do you need 14 cats for? Ah, crazy cat ladies. Okay, got it. That I cannot have there. I would. I only could. Let's see, go. Yeah, so this needs to be added here some. Items, that's fine. There, that should be done there. Excuse me. You got to unlock items there. Let's try again, I guess. Because there should be items going into. Brass knuckles, now that's unlocked. Okay, so let's stop it and see if it actually saved. Nope. Fucking didn't. Bastard. So let's go back and check this again. Debug.log, collection data, unlocked items, 0. If collection data that unlocked items that length is greater than 0, then we're gonna do it, but otherwise it will give an error and what you save and so on. So, item. Let's not get in here. Oh wait, yeah. Cause I... Save store. Save load at save collection. That's the one we also need. Let's do 1. What? What is going on? Where does it break? Why? Is it this one? Breaks it now? So let's do a bool save, that's a true for default, and then here down here we call false instead. Then we do if stop disconnecting, thank you. If save, then we're gonna do this. Let's try it again, shall we? Back again, we have saved this, new settings, start. It froze again. It still froze. Why in fucking tarnation? Is it because let's do a safety now, say load. I got a feeling here. The reason it happens is because I'm trying to open a file that's already open and nothing works. So if we do up here, we're gonna add another one. A bool loading is equal to true or equal to false for most claims. Then we're gonna go into load. Up here we're gonna loading equals true. And copy at the end of all this. Here I'm gonna set it to false. What am I gonna do with this? Is just do a check if loading, if not loading, then we are gonna do all this. Same thing is gonna happen here. And up here. Just for safety that it doesn't try to remove the file I currently got open. Loading equals true. Loading equals false. Yeah, this should again, it should not. Now when I'm starting to think a bit more, it should not affect it. In the simple case that how it works is that it's gonna just take all the info from a file and then close it. I'm still gonna do it, do a test, just for safety reasons. And then we have to do something else, I guess. So now we got this, let's go to scripts. Handlers, so just to check that everything has been changed. Change, so let's start to see what happens. That froze. Why? just why? Where? I don't think I have an infinity loop anywhere. But it's acting like I would have an infinity loop. Wonder if I just should. Okay, dude. Okay, so you can step debug. Means I can do that now. I'm gonna put one there. Attach to Unity. Okay, and then we start. Okay. Continue, 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 continue. Unlock items is the thing that breaks. Okay. Good to know. So the question is, does it break inside? Or where does it really just... So we got this here now. Let's do attach to unit again. This is a feature I would probably have saved me a lot of problems here and there, but I've just been a fan of step debugging for some reason. We start. Go down in here. 11. $7,000 unlocked items. So the problem is probably that I have had an infinite loop and just it added such an immense amount of items that it simply cannot run it. So let's do a reset. Hard reset. Which means we're gonna go in here, we're gonna take collection, game and setting and boom. Delete. Delete. Then we start the game. So it doesn't define any game data, it restarts. I got Roger twice. Let me select him. Like this. This start. Roger with the delete, keep, Brass Knuckles, per second contract, Brass Knuckle. Okay, let's close, start again. Yeah, there's something really messes up entirely, and I'm not sure why. Is it because let's do this now. We're gonna do an int here. It's gonna be the counter equal to unlocked items dot count. One thing that might as well be happening is that it just adds or keep adding, and since I take the collection again, it just adds to that collection, so the list just gets longer, 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 so on. So I'm quite annoyed about both the disconnecting and this right now. Yes, I know. Let's do again hard reset. I'm gone with all those. Start it. Yes, an item. Close. Start again. Will not find file settings data. Okay. That's also a problem I haven't noticed yet, so... So of course I'm going to do collect if, just check that these files exist. Collection data path. Same thing around this one. Settings data path. Just like that for now. Wait, do I actually have it fixed now? Auto contract. Payment. Special one. Your special. Your special. Hero. I'm gonna go into here and do item. Bolt action rifle. Rifle. I need to change those file sizes, seriously. That's a bolt action rifle. Let's have another one. Brass knuckles. Close, start again. It seems to work, people. Let's get that contract, complete that contract, mute that. Complete, keep, collection, contract, 5 seconds. Close, start again. Yeah. Remove all of this extra stuff. Remove that. And this one. Still gotta keep the loading just in case. But we have fixed a problem I have been furious about. You might have noticed. Anyways, anyhows. That means we can now... Players can now start collecting items. Wait, but hold on a minute. Let's go in here. Collection item. Okay, so that needs to be changed a bit. I'm at 20 times 2. Why? So let's just call the scale. This. Okay, I gotta make all the images to 512. So if I set those to unit 512 units, I will get every unit should be, like become the same size. Why is that now? Doing this content lecture. Wait a minute. There. Yeah. Table it so I can see it. Image. Like it wouldn't rescale properly. That seems to be a problem. Ugh. Anyways, we can check a little more stuff as the stats page. Rico said it seemed to be out of place. Let's add a by object with image. Here. Everything seems to be in actually. What I'm gonna do though, I got one thing I'm gonna change, is that these are the layout panel. This one. We are gonna, instead of that one, we're actually gonna add the button. I actually didn't fix the spacing, it was not off to begin with. Or maybe in the old build it was off? I don't know. Who knows? Just checking so it wasn't off. Link to Tumblr, I'm gonna change that. First chapter. Then we go into Tumblr Agno chapter 1. This is where it's gonna link instead. So technically I'm gonna have two that links to the same place. Let's control the link, first chapter, text, reduce it, bold. But why is it? It's like it's a bit off. Maximize on play and start it. Let's see. What does it look? Press this one, it's gonna open. Yeah. Seems to be in order now. Apart from audio source, I can't hear any sound from. Oh, because I had that one. Yeah, because I muted it in the editor itself. Of course I can't hear anything. Yeah, some stuff solved. I'm probably gonna go make some food and then do some drawing for the rest of the images. I got a few left. And I'll change a bit on the to-do form. Yeah, I got one more. I got a bug here that says if I get the same item I already got, it will tell me it's a new item. Not in collection, so that should be fixed as well. But does it show if I get a new item though? That's the good question. So if we do item, nope, it does not show in collection. Means I got something that needs to be. Some things need to be changed still there. Like, God damn it. Give me the right window, thank you. Let's actually do bool loading. It can be equal to false on most occasions. So if it's loading, no, if it's not loading, actually it's gonna be true on most occasions. We're also going to do in here. Now here we're going to set in the false, because here we go, it's probably new. To get this far, it's a new item, which means we are going to throw into... How do you do it? How did I do it on the rest of the stuff? Mercenary Manager, add new mercenary, unlock mercenary, collection news, go to definitions. Oh, so it has a whole. It has a whole of that. Does this one also have? It does. Down here, before save load, we do collection news dot news. Let's try this now. If I fixed another bug, no other stuff. Go in here. We have this. Let's do reset because we haven't done. Contract, then we do items. No, item. The bolt action rifle. Collection got a new one. Storage got a... I just have it up there right now. Now we're gonna check if I get the same item. Let's buy a lot of storage slots and do item. Item. Okay. Then item. Oh yeah. In here we're also going to do if unlocked item. Actually, we're gonna move this out. Still gonna leave this though, it's because it just saves a lot of saving here there. Unlocked items that contains the item ID. It does not contain the item ID, then we're gonna collection. That's gonna be another. Else, maybe it's gonna break. Let's see how that works out. Stop picking your holes. What are you talking about? Are you drunk? We got these items, so let's do it again. Item. I don't have that one. Item. You have car, so I didn't get it. There we go. It seems to be ordering this after name. And he was thinking hard. Okay, I guess. Brianna Peters. Yeah, we fixed that. So that's gonna go into testing status instead of bug status. And before we do anything else, I'm gonna actually, I think I'm gonna do that later because I'm gonna be pretty much done right now, so let's go see who we can host. And again, I'm doing this to polish a game because I'm gonna show it off at a... I'm gonna show it off at the event I'm gonna go to. So I'm gonna polish this because it's a lot more close to done than the collectathon I've been working on. I'm just gonna host jams for the simplicity of it. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, just to polish this as much as possible I can before in the closest 3 days? 3 weeks, my bad. Just get it as good as possible. And if you wanna test this, it's actually out on the Tumblr Agno page, which you can find with !Agno. And apart from that, if you haven't followed, please do. It helps me out a lot, and you can also join the Discord for get notices when I start streaming. That's your thing. And also, in my Discord you get access to the test hall, where you can test other builds like the collectathon I've been working on. You find that with !Discord. Apart from that, that's gonna be it for me, guys, and as always, I'm gonna write this command first. Oh wait. As always, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, see ya.
Oh, Pikku, thank you for the host. How was the rest of your stream?